What is up, fam? Welcome back to another episode of the trailer build. Today we are going to get working on the kitchen. First, we're going to put together a kitchen cart. Let's take this thing inside and build it. Kitchen cart's in, just gotta figure out a way to secure it. I think I might throw some caulk underneath the legs and then put board behind here and screw this into the wall. Kitchen cart is secured. Next, I think I'm just gonna go right in and we're gonna cut out the sink. I picked up this little sink. We're gonna put it in this way. Let's cut it out. Sink is cut out. We've got a gray water tank, 6 gallons, and then a 6-gallon freshwater tank. These will both just sit right underneath the sink here. I don't have the plumbing for the drain for the sink yet, but that'll just drain right down into this gray water tank. And then I've got this little faucet thing. It's like a USB rechargeable. It's for those little 5-gallon jugs. And then I just got a little bit longer hose, and that'll just sit right over here. And this will drop down into that freshwater, clean water tank. So let's drill the hole for this hose real quick and just see how that looks sitting there. Now with the sink in, I just want to put the stove up to see what the kitchen was going to look like when it was in use. It's going to be pretty sweet. I'm super stoked to get out and try this thing out. It's going to be awesome. But lots more work to do. Getting cold, so I went inside. It's the next day, and I think we're just gonna start doing a bunch of the little random things. First, just to kind of get rid of some of the clutter, I'm gonna hang up these little what do I call them? Spice gripper clip strip. grocery shopping the other day and I decided to stock up on some just essential herbs and spices that I use. Nice. They were out of a few things I wanted, so that's what those last spots will take up. Of course, the salt and pepper grinder. I also picked up some of these lights while I was out. They seem like they're going to be kind of bright. Also, cool thing, a wireless switch. So it all just kind of sticks up here and then sticks to the wall, and then we got a light switch. So that's fun. I'm going to go throw batteries in these. Be right back. Batteries. What? I like this. I think we'll just keep plugging away at these little things. Next, I think we'll throw up the holders for the curtain rod, for the curtain that's going to go across the bathroom. I have this super sturdy leftover like steel pole, and this will be more than enough for the curtain for the bathroom and for the curtain for the shower. Might as well knock those bad boys out right now. Gotta cut down. Both of these are in now. I don't know, obviously I'm gonna wait to hang up the curtains till we're done working in here because they're just gonna get dirty and in the way. Other than staining, which I might start working on tonight, I think trim's about all I have left I can do. I think we'll start throwing in some trim pieces. I've got quite a bit of leftover trim from when we did the house. Time was getting tight. We're going to Costco this evening, so I shut off the camera and just started going. I got a few bits of trim up, a bunch of stuff cut. Welcome to my disgusting unfinished basement. I'm gonna get going on staining the shelves and the table. I did 2 coats of the stain on everything except the underside of the shelves. I don't know if the video does it justice, but it's like the plywood's almost like holographic. You can kind of see it there. I'm gonna do 2 coats of urethane. All the staining is finished. It's the next day now. Just put the halfling down for a nap, so I've got a couple hours before she wakes up. I figured we would finish up the plumbing and then maybe get some more of the trim done. We swung by Home Depot yesterday when we went to Costco and stuff. I got the drain and then the plumbing for it. I found this simple drain. It's rubber and obviously very pliable. That's gonna make running this over to the gray water container a lot easier. So let's get started on that. wish this was a little bit lower, but that'll do. Boom, sink. I've got a few of the diamond plated steel stuff ready to go up. So gotta scrounge up a few more screws and we'll attach those, and then we'll get going on the floor trim. Everything's starting to look super clean. I got all the trim up, got everything caulked. I put in these little clips so we don't have another mishap like I had on my way to epoxy the floor. While I was driving, this swung open, came off the top hinge, twisted the bottom hinge, and then came off of there. Don't want that to happen anymore. Got all the trim in behind the toilet, down there, back where the shelves are gonna be, and through here. So everything's coming together nice. As usual, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. It's starting to come along. I think probably a couple more videos and we'll have this thing wrapped up. If you're enjoying this and you haven't seen the rest, here's the last video. And if you want to watch all of it, here's the playlist. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe, leave a comment, like, hit the bell so you know when the next one comes out, and I'll see you next time.